I kind of feel like Elon Musk right now when everyone is asking him about AI and the future, but I really love this question. My name is Kristina Minchenko, and my mission is to educate artists, help them succeed in the permanent makeup industry. So make sure that you give me a follow so you never miss a post. In permanent makeup, I feel like permanent makeup is such a trade where your hands are involved, an artistic trade. It's a trade where you combine artistry with technical parts, and then this combined gives you a really good result. So I think that AI would be such an amazing addition to what we do. But what AI is going to do for us is going to maybe follow up with our clients. It's going to respond to our clients like what we have right now are the bots, right? You can have clients reach out to you and then a robot leads the conversation to a booking site. It's easy. It's going to help us, right? But I don't really think that robots or AI is going to do the procedure. I think it's going to just complement what we do. So we definitely will survive that. I am positive.